Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, so we're doing chapter 34, problem 49, and it says a camera lens has a focal length of 180 millimeters, and it has an aperture diameter of 16.36 millimeters. So part A says, what is the F number of the lens? Cool. Okay, so the F number of a lens is the ratio of its focal length to its diameter. So to maintain the same amount of exposure, light passing through the lens during the exposure must remain the same. Okay, cool. So F number is F over diameter. So we can just easily plug that in. And that is 180 millimeters over 16.36 millimeters. And what that becomes is, let's see, 180 divided by 16.36. And that's roughly 11. So this is F11 is our F number. Because F numbers are always integers. This is nearly 11. So cool. Awesome. Part B. Part B asks if the correct exposure of a certain scene is 1/30th of a second at F11, then what is the correct exposure? How many seconds at F2.8? Okay. Cool. So to think about this is, as I said before, so we need to maintain the same amount of exposure, and we want the amount of light passing through the lens to remain the same. So going from F11 to F2.8, that means the diameter increased by a factor of 4. So if the diameter of the area is increasing by 4, then the area is increasing by a factor of 4 squared, or 16. So if the area is 16 times bigger, 16 times more light will be allowed in. So 16 times more light at f2.8. So we want the light to remain the same over the whole exposure. So if we have 16 times more light, then we need 16 times less exposure. Okay, so if we start out with 1/30th second, we need 16 times less. Divide that by 16. This becomes 1/480th of a second, or also 2.1 milliseconds. So that's what the exposure should be. Cool.